Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is like 90 something degrees outside. I just came inside the car, so I'm about to do this unboxing for you guys. What's the climate? Yes, 93 degrees outside right now here in Florida, and I finally got my package. This is the last coat. That's what I was talking about, and I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. All right, so let me film her. As I said, I'm inside of my car, and I just received it in the mail. Just received it in the mail, guys. When I order it, I think I order it, I don't even know if it takes like less than a week. I can't remember when I ordered it. I wasn't really paying attention, guys. Well, here you go. This is the AMP, the last coat, clean, shines, and protect. Now, this is basically for the vehicle, you know, protect your paint. It said prevention, hand wash thoroughly after handling. If swallowed, immediately call poison control center or doctor, physician. If on skin, wash with plenty of water. For specified treatment, CSDS. I don't even know what that's that. If skin irritation or rash occurs, get a medical advice. Attention, take off contamination. I'm trying to read it through the camera, guys. I'm sorry. Contamination, clothing, and wash before reuse. So yes, this is the hazard. It said extremely 3 equal high, moderate, slight, insignificant. Okay, 16 ounce. Okay, so this is one of them. I think that you use this. I got to read the directions. This will be one thing that I will have to read, you know. You know, I don't usually read the directions when I get like new stuff, especially electronics, because and these are the spray nozzles. This is one, and this is the both of them is the same. Both of them is the same. And this is the last coat, the clean, shines, and protects as well. It said it will leave any surface coated, protected, and sleeky smooth, instantly guaranteed. So I will be doing a video while using it. I have my cloth, my microfiber cloth. I don't even know if it's microfiber cloth, but I have bought this at Walmart. I think this was like $8 and change, something like that. Soft touch coral fleece. So I'm gonna use this and see if this gonna work. Hopefully it does. I'm not sure. And the same thing goes here with the warning. May be harmful if swallow, may cause eye irritation. The same thing. But what I really need to find is right here. Bam, the instruction. So it's a lot of instructions. It's like a whole paragraph, and it said down here, TLC will keep surface looking great and free from water damage for 4 to 6 months. I don't know if you guys heard the fireworks, but we got people over here letting off fireworks. I could hear it. Yeah, so 4 to 6 months when used correctly. So guys, I can't wait to use this product on my car. Right now the sun is really hot. It's 93. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is 93 degrees. So it is really hot, and I can't wait to use this stuff. Really can't wait to use this stuff, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. What is this? I have a thanks for your purchase, and it said although our product are easy to use, we do recommend knowing how to apply them correctly, start to finish. So hey, check out our website. Here's the website, guys. No, I'm not being sponsored by them or anything, but I just wanted to make a YouTube video to show you guys how it works and stuff. I don't know if this is a sticker. Nope, it's not. Clean shines. Nope, it's not a sticker. But it said the last coat clean, shines, and protects. So guys, I think the first one, I got to use this one first, this one, and then I use the amp second, because this one is like a finishing touch. I don't know, I just got to read the directions and see what's up, which one I use first. But I've been seeing a lot of videos going on, people using it, and they always use this one first. Not the app, sorry, not that one. They use the last coat first, and then they use the AMP. So that's about it. I want to share with you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this quick unboxing. I think I want to use it. I want to start using it right now. It feels so good in the car, but I know once I step outside, I'm going to start sweating because it's really hot. The sun is off the chain. Florida is just, summer is already here. We already feeling summer weather right now. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will do a review and show you guys how my car look, maybe before, after, when I use it, and show you the sleekness and how this stuff really works and shine. And hopefully they claim whatever it say. I've seen a lot of ads on Instagram and a lot of ads on Facebook about this product. So as I said, I will be making a video about it, and hopefully you guys could go and check it out. You know, if you are a person who, at the camera, if you're a person who love your vehicle, love your paint, you know, love to keep up with your vehicle, yeah, love to have a clean, shiny, glossy vehicle, yeah, I would recommend you guys this product. But wait until, read about it, do more investigation about it, and I will be making a video about it as well to show you guys how good it works and tell you guys how good this stuff really is, because I don't really know. This is my first time, and this is my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will be using it, and I will be sharing it to the world, to you guys. You know, I really appreciate the love and the support. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and you know, you could watch different videos on YouTube about this stuff, and you know, it's up to you, whatever you feel like doing, you know. Yeah, peace out, bye bye, take care, have a blessed and safe day. God bless. Don't forget to wear your mask. Be safe out there, you know, life is short. Yeah, God bless, peace out, bye bye, and I'm out of here, man, for real.